So this is my white hibiscus plant, a good old plant, about 15 years old. Now there are no flowers in it, though it produces a lot of flowers during the spring season, and there was the harsh summer and the leaves all dried up, and now they are getting back to life again. So I'm going to do a little bit of pruning, most probably a hard pruning, plus change of soil, so that the plant will have a new life and produce a lot of flowers. The problem with the plant is that it produces a lot of roots, and the root ball almost fill the pot. It's in fact because the plant has got vigorous growth and it's a heavy producer of flowers. So manuring from the top will not have much effect. So I'll have to take it out. You see, I have taken it out. And you can see the root ball, how vigorous the roots have grown. And this will have to be removed. All these unwanted roots which are on the outside has to be removed, and I'll be more or less taking off all the small new branches that have come up in the last few weeks after the rains. You can see how the roots have filled almost the entire pot. Unless you grow new plants from the nursery, or you produce new plants from your own cuttings, you have to do a lot of pruning of the roots as well as the stem. Otherwise the plant will not produce good flower. It's okay if it's on the ground, but the pot has got its own limitations. It cannot hold so much of it. In fact, this is not a very small plant. Though it's called herbaceous, it grows into half a tree when you are planting on the ground. There are almost several hundred hibiscus plants in the family of hibiscus that's called Malvaceae or Mallow family, and this one being white in color is most probably Hibiscus rosa-sinensis dainty white. There are several other kind of white hibiscus flowers. Maybe some are of different species, but this is of the same species. As the shape and except in the color, everything is similar to the Chinese hibiscus or the common hibiscus that we have in our homes and gardens regularly. As you can see, I have to take out all these small branches and other things that have plagued the plant from the very beginning. And maybe I will have to put the camera off and do the thing, so that, see, I have almost done that. I've done a lot of pruning of the roots too. You can see the root ball. I didn't take off all the roots, just the extra unnecessary ones have been removed. Some of them will die off by themselves when the new roots come. I have removed these small branches and other things because they are unhealthy, not very healthy ones which can produce flowers. Because the plant is too old, maybe I will have to find a replacement or grow on from the same one. In any case, the plant is of interest because this can be a very good bonsai stuff. I won't be throwing it away even if it's not producing much flowers, because it's a very good, if you look at the trunk and the base of the plant, you can find that it has grown almost into a bonsai type of thing. Anyway, thank you very much for watching, and please subscribe to my channel, like, comment and share with your friends. See, I have put back the plant into the pot with fresh soil, not the one which was having earlier. Fresh sanitized soil plus manure, and I have put some water also. In 2 or 3 minutes the water will seep down, and I will have to have I will keep it in a shady place where the direct sunlight doesn't harm it much. You can see I have applied some pesticides too, I mean like the neem oil spray. Anyway, until the next video, take care, thank you again, and bye bye.